Hello guys, today we're going to discuss about distributive property. So for our example, we're going to use the distributive property in simplifying this problem. So first we have quantity 3a cubed plus 4 multiplied by quantity 2a cubed plus 2. So what we're going to do is we distribute this binomial to this binomial term. So first we distribute 3a cubed. That is 3a cubed multiplied by 2a cubed. First, we multiply the whole number. That is 3 times 2. That is 6. Then we copy the variable a. Tapos add lang natin yung exponents. That is 3 plus 3. That is our exponent na 6. So we have 6a raised to the power of 6. Next, we distribute 3. That is 3a cubed multiplied by 2. That is 3 times 2. That is 6a cube. Copy lang natin yung variable na a cube. After that, we distribute the next term. So we have 4 times 2a cube. That is 4 times 2. That is 8. Tapos copy lang natin yung variable na a cube. After that, we distribute 4 to the last term. That is 4 times 2. That is 8. Then after that, we simplify the like terms. So we have 6a cubed plus 8a cubes. That is 14a cubed. Then, this is our answer. 6a to the power of 6 plus 14a cubed plus 8. For our next example, we have quantity 7a cubed plus 2 multiplied by 3a cubed plus 4. So first, we distribute the 7a cubed. That is 7 times 3. That is 21. We copy the variable a, then we add the exponent. That is 3 plus 3. So we have a to the power of 6. Then after that, we distribute 7a cubed to the last term. We have 7 times 4, that is 28. Then we copy the variable a cubed. And after that, we distribute 2. 2 times 3a cubed. So that is 6. Then copy lang natin yung a cubed. Then we distribute 2 to the last term. That is 2 times 4. That is equal to 8. Then we simplify 28a cubed plus 6a cubed. That is 34a cubed. For this example, our answer is 21a to the power of 6 plus 34a cubed plus 8. Next, we have quantity 2xy plus 1 multiplied by 4xy plus 3. First, we distribute the 2xy. 2 times 2, that is 8. If we can remember, yung mga variables natin, meron siyang exponent na 1. If we multiply these terms, i-add lang natin yung kanilang mga exponents. So for the variable x, we just add the exponent. So that is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. The same way sa variable na y natin. So we have 1 plus 1, that is y squared. And after that, we distribute 2xy sa last term. So that is 2xy times 3, that is 2 times 3, that is 6. Then copy lang natin yung variable na xy. And after that, we distribute yung 1. We have 1 times 4xy, so that is 4xy. Then next, we have 1 times 3, that is 3. After that, we simplify the like terms. So we have 6xy plus 4xy, that is equivalent to 10xy. So for this problem, our answer is 8x squared y squared plus 10xy plus 3. Next, we have quantity 4ab plus 3 multiplied by 3ab plus 2. So first, we distribute the 4ab. That is equivalent to 12a squared b squared. 4 times 3, that is 12. Then, yung AB natin is meron siyang mga exponents na 1. So, i-add lang natin. So, that is 1 plus 1. That is 2. Then, the same way din sa ating B na variable. So, we have 12a squared b squared. After that, we distribute 4ab sa next na term. 4 times 2, that is 8. Then, copy lang natin yung variable na ab. After that, we distribute 3. So, 3 times 3ab, that is 3 times 3, that is equivalent to 9. Then, copy lang natin yung variable na ab. After that, we distribute 3. Sa last term, we have 3 times 2, that is 6. After that, we add the like terms. We have 8ab plus 9ab. That is equivalent to 17ab. For this problem, our answer is 12a squared b squared plus 17ab plus 6. For our last example, we have 2a squared b squared plus 3 multiplied by 5a squared b squared plus 2. So first, we distribute 2a squared b squared sa first term ng binomial na to. So that is 2 times 5, that is 10. Then, copy the variable a, tapos add lang yung exponent ni a. That is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then, copy lang si b, then add lang natin yung exponent ni b. That is 2 plus 2, that is also equal to 4. So, we have 10a raised to the power of 4, b to the power of 4. Then, after that, we distribute 3a squared b squared sa next na term. That is 2 times 2, that is 4. Then, copy lang natin yung a squared b squared. Plus, next we multiply 3 times 5a squared b squared, that is 3 times 5, that is 15. Then, copy lang natin yung variable na a squared b squared. Then, after that, we distribute 3 sa last term, that is 3 times 2, that is 6. Then, after that, we just add this similar term, that is 4a squared b squared plus 15a squared b squared. That is 4 plus 15, that is 19. So for this problem, our answer is 10a raised to the power of 4, b raised to the power of 4, plus 19a squared b squared plus 6.